Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Presenting itself as an ultra-luxury RV concept redefines travel smart living. The 2026 Winnebago Motorhome aims to revolutionize recreational vehicle design by pushing the limits of comfort, technology, and environmentally friendly living for the discriminating traveler. In order to produce a genuinely sophisticated and luxurious mobile home, this hypothetical model from Winnebago, a mainstay in the RV market, would go well beyond standard options. The 2026 Winnebago ultra-luxury RV concept would probably have a sleek, modern exterior that deviates from the more conventional Winnebago style. Aesthetics and thermal efficiency will be improved by flush-mounted windows, flowing lines, and possibly cutting-edge material selections such lightweight, high-strength composites. The paint job would have deep gloss, multi-layered finishes with possible pearlescent or faint metallic accents. Dynamic, integrated LED lighting would add to a sophisticated nighttime presence in addition to providing illumination. To ensure a calm journey, aerodynamics would be carefully adjusted to improve fuel economy and lessen wind noise. When retracted, retractable awnings and slide-out sections would preserve the vehicle's sleek exterior lines while seamlessly extending living areas at the push of a button. The smart living component of this idea would be evident as soon as one stepped inside. High-end luxury and clever design would be evident in the interior. The arrangement would be carefully thought out to optimize both useful areas and free space. The finest materials would be used, including exotic wood veneers, polished stone countertops, handcrafted metal embellishments, and leathers that are sustainably sourced and sewn. Engineered hardwood and plush, deep pile carpeting are two types of flooring that can be chosen for both aesthetics and sound absorption. Ergonomic and movable furniture would be used in the living rooms, enabling a variety of setups for entertaining, dining, and relaxing. Professional-grade appliances, clever storage options, and maybe an induction cooktop are all features of a gourmet kitchen. With a king-sized bed, lots of closet space, and an ensuite bathroom with a full-size shower, smart mirrors, and high-end fixtures. Possibly even water recycling capabilities, the master suite would be a private haven. A sophisticated, user-friendly home automation system would be the foundation of the smart living experience. Climate control, dynamic lighting schemes, entertainment systems, including a high-fidelity audiovisual setup with retractable screens, security monitoring, and energy management would all be controlled by this central control system, which would be reachable from touchscreens located throughout the RV and remotely via a smart device. Control would be simple with voice activation. With reliable satellite internet, 5G cellular hotspots, and integrated navigation systems that offer easy access to information and entertainment wherever, connectivity would be crucial. The 2026 Winnebago ultra-luxury RV concept would include cutting-edge ecological technologies in addition to the obvious luxury. High-capacity lithium-ion battery banks for prolonged off-grid capability, effective water recycling systems, large rooftop solar arrays included into the roof design, and perhaps even cutting-edge air purification systems are some examples of this. The car would be constructed on a sturdy, possibly specially designed chassis with an emphasis on a quiet, comfortable ride that is improved by cutting-edge air suspension and excellent insulation. This Winnebago idea would revolutionize travel by providing a completely connected, incredibly cozy, and eco-friendly mobile home that would satisfy consumers who expect the highest level of luxury and intelligent living while traveling.